Hello everyone, this is Muhammad, and today we are working on a Hacktoberfest project. So I'm creating a project. Actually, I'm forking a project. So here I got a link of a Hacktoberfest project. So I'm cloning that project. So after that, I click on that there. So I am cloning the project, and now I will open that project in my Android Studio. So Flutter project Hacktoberfest, and then click on that project. Trust it. Open this project. So the issue is that that person is a new. Actually, this is a beginner. He want to integrate an API implementation in his project. So I'm creating. I am resolving that issue for him. And this actually this is participated in a Hacktoberfest. So this person already provided me a JSON. Let me show you the JSON file. Actually, this is a JSON. Okay, so he want that this data will be displayed in this project. So okay, fine, no issue. We can create this. This is actually he want to please help me to integrate this API. So we will integrate that API in this project. So let me show what he has done something in this project. If there is something he has done something in his project. Okay, so let me fix the Android version Gradle, and here I will set this to, and this will resolve the issue of that Gradle problem. Okay, now actually I want to see what he has done. Actually, this is a default project. I think there is no any screens, no any wizard. So I will create my own, and that will show stateful visit. Okay, so this will be the home screen. Okay, fine. And this home screen I will set in this material app without any parameter. Okay, and we'll set this project as a title. It will be REST API integration. Okay, now I want to integrate that API. So before integrating that API, we need a plugin that communicate with the with that API. So for this I will use Dio. Okay, Flutter Dio. Flutter Dio. Where is the Dio? Flutter. Actually, Dio. The plugin name should is a Dio, but I can't find. No problem at all. I will directly use in my PubSpec. So here I will set Dio this one. Okay, and then pubscat. Actually, this is the plugin, but why it's not displaying in this one? Nah. Okay, so guys, we will use this plugin to fetch the data from the API, and by using this API. So this is a easy way to integrate the API implementation. So we will use this functions. Okay, so that will return our data. So copy this and and in the initial state. So we will move in the home screen, home visits, and then before that I want to let me show what is the user ID, title name, and complete. This is the model. I think this is the complete same model. User ID 1, for ID 4, and titles and complete false. This show the true and false condition. Okay, so I'm creating a visit st. I'm creating a stateless visit. Home card that is let me show. I'm creating a custom visit that show complete informations of that informations in our screens. So this contain information like final string, title, and boolean conditions should be like final, rule, what is this is completed or not. Okay, and one title and ID, final string, this is a number, so final int ID. Okay, so now create a constructor of this visit. Constructor. Okay, so let's create a constructor by using this constructor. Stateless visit home card. Home card and constructor like this. This ID, this should not title, this should not this one, and then we will set the required and this one also required. Okay, fine. So and this should be const. Okay, so use key, we don't need to use this. Okay, so I create a cart in a cart container information like child, and should be column, and that contain a children, and that children contain a text. ID first is title, so there should be a title, and we'll set the text style text style. Color should be dark, any dark color, dot color should be green. Okay, and font size should be 20. Fine. Now after that we will set boolean condition, is it completed or not. Okay, so I will copy this and will show is completed. If is completed, and it will show. I think we should use this inside there. So is completed. If is completed, so it will be completed, and otherwise it will display uh, we'll say binding. Okay, and I also want to change the color, so I will use this condition here, and if completed means white, and if not completed means color should be like dot uh, yellow. Okay, arborescence. So it will display the color in as per the condition. Okay, and now, and I think we should show the ID. I don't think so. We need to display the ID. We don't need this. Okay, and after that, child in the here in the stateful visit home screen, here I will set a list view builder so that it will display the value. We will display the cart value, and item count will set for letter. We will set set from the API. Okay, as we call the API. So okay, and then here we need to send the ID 1 and completed false, and title should be the STB integration. Okay, so it will display like this. Okay, so I need to wrap this with the scaffold, and this should be body. Fine, and okay, fine, and I need to wrap this with a safe area, so that there we get some space. Visit safe area, and okay, and fine. After that, we need to give some decoration so that it looks better. So we will set the decoration box decorations, and we'll give some color like colors dot and give some padding. So it will display in a separate format. And okay, I think I should get 4 gram. Now this amber color is not looking pretty well, so we will set this like blue. Okay, and we also will increase the font weight not 900, so it looks better. And I also set this font weight here. Okay, fine, and I also want to give some padding here so it looks better. Okay, and I think it's look better. Okay, and now we will call the API by using a DO functions, by using a DO plugin. So for this we will implement here. We will use that functions to get the API. copy this and we will paste it here and import the do, and after that we need to call the init functions, and in the init function we will call this function so that we got a value. And before that I also want to give some loading here, so I will set bool is loading. This loading equals to initially value should be true, so that value during the fetching the value, it will a circular indicator will be displaying here. So here like this, center child circular progress bar, like this, so it will display the circular progress indicator. Okay, now okay, let const. Now we need to call our API, so I'm calling this API from here. Okay, and I also need to wrap this API. Let me debug this so that we can get the response if it is working or not. Here's the run command, and here we are getting a value. Okay, fine. Now we need to copy this sections and open a quick tab IO and paste this response here, and there we will call this call this like model class, and copy this now, and we will create a model class, and paste all the copy methods. Fine. Now we will get the list of model class. Okay. So we will get a list. We will get a list here. This will provide us a list. So first we need to create a list and grab the model list models. The initial value will be like this. This is a capital list. Okay, now after that we will send this into response. Actually we need to wrap, so we need to wrap model class this is actually this provide a list, so we are getting a list, and this is a actually like this response dot map response dot data dot wait So here we will use like this. String model class and list equals to response as a list, and then we need to map this like okay list and after that we need to go to list. Got it. And this we need to set this this, and I also want to set the value is loading cluster true, and wrap this at the state, and after that we will call this false. Okay, I think we need to debug this now. Okay, I think we are actually getting a value. So there is some problem with the dynamic list. So we are not response dynamic is not a subtype of list dynamic. Response type is not that. This is actually not a response type is not a dynamic. Okay, so actually here we need to set the response dot data, so we get actual data here. So after that we will run this we will run and we will get the details. Okay, okay, fine. So now we will get the models here, and I will set the model value here, model dot length, and I will set model index dot id should be not null, and there should be a value title, and there should be is completed or not, completed not. Okay, so after that we will get all the information in the in our project. So guys, we successfully fetch all the data from the from the REST API. So we are getting all the information that is completed, and it shows completed, and it is not complete, that is showing pending. So guys, this is done, and now after that we will I will create a new branch. I will create a new branch like API integration. Okay, and now in the log there is API integrations. I will push the code to the I will set feed API integration, and here API integrated. Okay, and I will commit the code, successfully commit, and then push the code, and okay, fine. Now I need to create a pull request. I will create a pull request. So here I will create a pull request. Okay. So I create a pull request and create a pull request here, and it will when the persons will review the code, and he will merge the pull request, and this is working fine. Let me show you again. When we run the application, initially it will load in the data, and after successfully loading, it will show all the information, all the data from the API. So this is the way we always use to integrate the API and fetch the information from the API. So mostly we use a DO to get data from the REST API. Fine. So fine for today, and follow my channels and subscribe my channel for more info. So this I participate in the Hacktoberfest. So this is the Hacktoberfest. So when he accept this pull request, I will be participating in the Hacktoberfest. Okay, have a nice day. Bye. Take care.